Hi coders. In today's video, we are going to master constructors in Java. What they are, how they work, different types, and all the interview tricks around them. If you have ever seen code like new student, okay, and wondered what is actually happening behind the scenes, or you got confused between constructor versus method, this video is for you. By the end, you will be super clear about constructors and ready for Java interviews and real projects. Let's start. So here is a car class. Okay, this is how you will create a constructor. Class name and simple. No void, no return type, no nothing. Okay, now how it is called? By when I make a object of the class like car is equal to new car. Now if I run this, now you can see it has been called. Now we will see types of constructor. Okay. For that, I will make some properties of this car class, say like model, price, color. Okay. Now, when I call this class in different class, so again, I have make a object of the car class. Okay. Now, if I want to use those properties, now these three are the properties that I have used. Now suppose if I have 10 objects of car class, then I have to make this code again and again, again and again. For car C1 equal to new car, C1 dot color, C1 dot model, C1 dot price, car C2 equal to new car, then C2 dot color, C2 dot model, C2 dot price. Again, I have to write these lines of code. So for that, we have parameterized constructor. This is how you will make a parameterized constructor. Okay, I will talk about in after this that what is this. Currently, you can say this is current object. Now, in my car driver class, again I'm repeating, this is a parameterized constructor. So this is known as constructor overloading. Same name but different parameters. So constructor can be overloaded. Now I will make a new object C1 equal to new car and I will pass my values there. Now I will run my code in debug mode. I have applied a debugger here. Now go to this sign and click on it. Then it stops here. Now I will press F5. Then it will go to my car class and here. Now if you see over here, model 2024, price and color. And if you see over here, this is null. This model means this model, this current object. Okay, this is current object. I'm talking about current object. Okay, now if I press F6, okay, now here model is giving the value to current object. Now after this you can see model 2024, price is 5000 and color is black. Okay, this is how you will call the parameterized constructor. Okay, so what I have done, I have reduced my code 3 lines to only 1 line. You can say 4 lines to 1 line. Now let's talk about common interview question, that is constructor versus method. Okay, now name constructor same as class. Constructor is same name as a class name. Method can be any name type. Okay, the return type of constructor, there is no return type, no void, no nothing like. Method must have some return type. Okay, and it do something. Okay, now how to call a constructor? Constructor will called automatically when new is used. New is used to create a object. Okay, now method called manually using object dot method. Okay, a purpose is like constructor purpose is initialize the object. Because the purpose of method is perform some action or some behavior. Okay, now very quick rapid fire, also good for interviews. Can constructor be static? No. Can constructor be final or abstract? No. Can constructor be inherited? No, but you can call parent constructor using super. Okay, can constructor return a value? Not directly, no return type allowed. Okay, found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Desktop Studio, and share this with your friends. Okay, who are preparing for Java interviews. And tell me in the comments which part of constructor is still confusing for you. Okay, this overloading or default. Okay, I will pick comments and make shorts or a follow up video on them. Okay, thank you.